Is Windows failing to load because of the Wuaueng engine DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the corruption and have the fix ready. For professional-grade Wuaueng engine maintenance, follow the diagnostic link in the description. This is the Wuaueng engine. The Windows Update Agent engine library is the primary logic module for searching, downloading, and installing system patches. It manages the local update database. If corrupted, the Windows Update page will hang at checking for updates indefinitely or return error 0x8024.001e, indicating the update engine has encountered a fatal internal exception. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. This error typically indicates corruption within the Windows system core. I recommend launching Command Prompt with administrative rights and running sfc/scan now to automatically replace missing or compromised files, such as Wuaueng.dll. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Wuaueng engine component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism//cleanup-image/restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Safety is paramount. Never attempt to replace Wuaueng engine DLL with binaries found on unverified download portals that lack quality control and often distribute files incompatible with modern Windows security updates. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. If you're managing system alerts or background maintenance tasks, the resource below offers general guidance related to Wuaueng engine. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve Wuaueng engine dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.